Hello everyone. So today we are going to dive into the world of Go program. We'll be starting with the classic Hello World Go program. Now let us break down in a way that is easy to understand and even if you are new to coding. Let's start. Now I have created the chapter 2 directory. Now we will create a new file which name is hello.go. First I will write the line package main. Let us try to first write the line and then we can go one by one for each line. Now here I am importing the package, which is import fmt, and I am creating the main function func main, and let's print the output to the screen. So if you are following along with me, so we have created our first file which name is hello.go. Please ignore this exception, this is our editor exception. Now what we can do, let's run this program. To run this program, we'll go to the terminal. Let us see if our program is created. Yes, now we can do go run hello.go. You can see here hello world is printed now. Now let's see what each line means. First of all, this package main, it's an important line. It tells the Go program to Go compiler to say that start program from here. Now if we see here FMT is kind of a tool for us which allows us to print on the screen. Now function main. Now this is like we are seeing here main instructions to the program. Now run all the statements inside the main function which is curly braces. Now our fmt.println stands for print line. This is our main action line of our program. So this is how the anatomy is. Now this is package main. Now it tells the Go compiler to start from here, and then This is FMT. This is our special tool to print on the screen or do like formatting, which we will see in the later chapters. This is the main function. It needs to be there. It tells to start all the instructions from here. Every Go program must have main function. We will see why. And then this is our main statement which is running the code. Now if we see here, let's run go hello.go. It's a typo and it's print the program on the screen. This is how the first program is there to print on the screen. Now let's understand the relationship between Go compiler, package main and function main, which is fundamental to creating executable programs. First of all, Go compiler it's a very powerful tool. Now what it does is that it passes our source code, translates to our source code. For example, this is hello.go. To a machine readable format. Now machine readable format are like binary. Machine understands in the binary. So it translates into the binary format. I'm just writing here for an example. So what are different functions of Go compiler? Let us see. So if we have a Go compiler, the main functions of Go compiler are first of all is to parse Go code. Second one is to check for syntax errors and type inconsistent. Third is to optimize the code for better performance. And fourth is to generate machine executable code. So these are the functions of Go compiler. Now if we see what Go compiler does when it sees the main package. So main package is very special package. Whenever Go compiler sees the main package, whenever it sees the main package, so it says that I have to create an executable code. If main package create executable code, like we had in hello.go. So here if we see, we have, if we do go build hello.go, it creates an executable which is hello. This is an executable and we can run it with the help of hello command. Now whenever it sees it, if it sees the main package, then it will create an executable. Otherwise it will consider this as a library. Only files that are part of package main are compiled into executable. So whenever like any go runs, it will only run for package main to create an executable. Now function main, as we have discussed, it says like where the main program begins. Now this is important for us to understand, like we must have package main and function main in our Go code to create an executable. So now we will learn about different build options. Let's see. So first we will try to run the program again. We'll run the program again. I have installed Go mod. If you see here, I had to, because my editor was giving me errors on the start which I didn't like it. So if you want to do, you can just do Go mod init. Let me remove this. Go mod init hello world, and you can do Go mod tidy, but this will not take effect now because we don't have any package installed. But this is very useful for us when we are running for packages, where we have packages installed, which we'll see in the future lessons. Coming back to the build, let us see the build examples. First, when we go build hello.go, it will by default create the file for us, executable file for us for Linux. So if I do here, for example, if I want to create a different file name instead of this, so I can do go build -o, and I can just do first program, and here I have hello.go. If you see here, I have created another first program. This is great. Now it is creating the Linux program only for us. If we want to create the program for Windows, what we can do here is that we can simply add argument GoOS equals to, I think I have the command already in my shell. So if it is GoOS Windows and GoArch equals to AMD64, and I can just run here. So what it is saying here, no required module present, package main.go. To add it, go get main.go. Okay, we don't have main.go here, it's hello.go, so we will just add hello.go. You see here we have created hello.exe, but if we try to run, in this case it will not run. It might, no, it is not running. So this shell is hanging now. It is trying to run from WSL to Windows. Let me close this. We have hello.exe. Now if we want to do it for Mac, just we need to do Goa Darwin, and here I will change it to hello.decode, which is the current file, and even I can change it here. I'll add it because let me see if we don't use. We have the same file for Linux and Mac, which is it will say the format array. If I run first program, which is basically Linux, so we have to execute each of the file on their system only. Now we can also see the architecture, what architecture we are using. It is Go env arch, and also we can do the tool distribution list. It will give us what tool distribution our Go language support. You can see this is wide range of tools, so you can use any of this. So this is it. This is our first program and introduction to Go programming language. Now you can create another Go programming language as part of the exercise. Let me just add on the screen. So guys, you can do create a Go program which prints hello code track. And create the executable for Windows and Linux, for which you can use ARM64 as architecture, AMD64 as architecture. Yeah, so this is your exercise. Please run on your local environment and let me know in your comments. Thank you. Bye.